Hey guys, welcome back to Code with AI. Today in this video we are going to use DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT. From recent tweets from OpenAI that's revealing that now free users can generate up to 2 images per day using DALL-E 3 right in ChatGPT. Here are some demos from OpenAI that here they're creating images from DALL-E 3, some stunning images from DALL-E 3 like pattern, paintings and many things, and it's the update for only for the free users. Okay, so let's go into the chat gpt app and try to create some images. Firstly, I'm going to write a prompt for chat gpt to act as a brilliant comic book writer or artist to create some comic like images, like comic book images, photos, uh, just from comic books. And let's press enter, and ChatGPT is responding that I'm ready to craft images like comic book. So now I'm going to provide a prompt to ChatGPT to create our first plot image of a superhero, of an old superhero, uh, which is in the street with his dogs. Okay, and other information. I think the prompt is looking good. Now press enter, and the animation of creating images is amazing. Chat gpt animations are very good. And here is our first image from dell e3 right in our chat gpt app. A old superhero with his dogs, and someone is sitting on the bench, a small shop there, and colors are beautiful. It's like the comic book images, not a real image. It's not liking a real image. It's like a comic book image. So ChatGPT or DALL-E 3, I think, is amazing to create images. You can also create realistic images also. Here is our second prompt where I'm trying to get our second plot image for our comic book, for follow up image from previous image with some story, and ChatGPT is trying to create that image. From previous demo of Dell E3 from OpenAI, they are saying that ChatGPT can create follow-up images, but here uh, ChatGPT responding that there is an issue of creating follow-up comic book images. So let's try again. I don't think it will work because I think it's a restriction from OpenAI to create follow-up images right in ChatGPT, and it's look like there was still issue. Okay, ChatGPT asking me to create a different storyline for our next comic book image, and here is our scene description. Okay, let's uh, tell to ChatGPT to create it. Now ChatGPT is creating a DALL-E 3 image with their own prompts, with using their own prompts. I'm not giving here the prompts for creating images. ChatGPT using their own knowledge. And here is our image from ChatGPT that ChatGPT created by using their own prompts. And the image is good. A scientist is sitting on the bench with his cat, cat with googles, and scientist is also wearing googles, and some tools, some mechanical tools behind and sticking on the blackboard. You can also download these images and use wherever you want. Okay, so guys, this video is only for the free users who want to create images without any subscription in ChatGPT. So guys, if you enjoy this video, please like this video, and if you want more videos on ChatGPT tutorials OpenAI API tutorials in Python, and how to use ChatGPT. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.